Hello friends, now we have to see another 2-3 theories of human relations and specifically for the motivation. Within that, theories of Victor's expectancy theory is very famous. Then I think every time you have done here McGregor's X and Y theory, and nowadays this Pink's theory is also very famous for the motivation. So we have to see here the first theory, that is or second theory, because Abraham Maslow's hierarchy's need theory we have done. Now we have to see about here the Vroom's expectancy theory. So what exactly it is? These theories are, you don't worry about that, because these theories are not exactly like a theories of economics. These theories are theoretical theories, where they have given here some equations, and from that they have to bring out here the human relations, and they would try to develop the psychology of the employees, and thereby they have to inculcate in them work culture as well. They have to inculcate in companies that providing satisfaction level within the employees. So that's why these theories are very important for us also, because this is a psychological based theories. Now we have to see here the Victor Vroom's expectancy theory. The person is Victor Vroom's. He is telling that expectancy theory assumes that behavior results from conscious choices among alternatives whose purpose is to maximize pleasure and to minimize pain. It's a very important and very simple thing. He is telling that you have to reduce your pain and increase your pleasure. That way you have to put your efforts within the company. So our behavior, this expectancy theory assumes here behavior's result. मतलब लोग क्या करना चाहते हैं कि खुद का जो पेन, जो प्रॉब्लम्स है वो रेड्यूस, हर इंसान वैसे ही करेगा कि उसका जो पेन है वो मिनिमाइज करना चाहेगा, और जो उसका प्लेजर है, जो हैप्पीनेस है, जो उसको आनंद मिल रहा है, उसको वो बढ़ाना चाहेगा. तो द होल थ्योरीज पर्पस इज दैट Rooms realize that an employee's performance is based on individual factor. Thank you.